Introducing Alex Vieira, a legend for many, a visionary for others, and a mentor above all. Let's look at some of his work. I discuss his aim, the benefits individuals and companies have experienced, and how you can use his insight. Alex shares his vision with those aspiring to succeed while shaping the future together. He knows that you can conquer your fears and excel, building a happier and more fulfilling future by collaborating on actual projects. Alex turns useless complexity into valuable simplicity. For example, investing is a simple game in which financial advisors convince the public that it is more complex than it is. Alex has published over 65,000 case studies since 1989, helping thousands by sharing his insight and principles. In addition, he discusses geopolitics, finance, technology, and new trends.
And this is not about earnings, so I remind you that this is important because it's not about earnings. I made a lot of comments precisely on these matters. It's not just because of a company missed earnings, it's more important than it. And therefore, after the company reported earnings, I told you not to buy, just because it was crashing. On the contrary, short sellers, they were going to remain in full control, and they have been in full control, and therefore you had the opportunity to maximize your profits, even if you disregarded my opinion, to go short the stock. And by going short the stock, that was 56 or so after the company reported, you are making money on the short side, okay? So I do not intend to, in fact it was $60 after the company reported. So I do not have any prospect of becoming an investor in Snap anytime soon. But this is not just about Snap. There are many companies that I dislike, and it's not about the companies, it's about market conditions that I've been repeating over and over.
I'm a small investor. I've got less than 50,000 in the market. I started investing about a year ago, started very small with about a $3,000 account. That account grew over 600% within the first, I'd say four to 5 months of utilizing Alex Vieira and Elena's guidance. I've participated in multiple products of theirs. I'm a YouTube member on Alex's YouTube channel. I've utilized his individual company analysis. What I like about Alex's and Elena's approach is there's no guessing. There's no guessing if it's going to turn out in your favor or are you on the right side of the trade. 100% of the trades that I've entered into, or 100% of the companies that I've invested in, have been winners. I've never had an investment less than 100% profit utilizing